Learn English through stories.
Jake had always wanted to improve his life, but he kept putting off his dreams. One Monday morning, he finally decided to get up early and start a new routine. As he looked out the window, he realized that he could no longer hold back his ambitions. It was time to move forward. After getting dressed, Jake set off for a job interview in the city. On the way, he ran into an old friend named Mike. They had not seen each other for years, so they stopped to catch up for a few minutes. Mike told Jake not to give up on his goals and encouraged him to carry on no matter how difficult things became. When Jake arrived at the office, he found out that the interview had been moved up by an hour. Fortunately, he had shown up early. During the interview, the manager pointed out several opportunities within the company and asked Jake to take on new responsibilities if he got the position. Jake gladly agreed. After the interview, Jake dropped by a nearby cafe to relax. While he was drinking coffee, he came across an advertisement for a language exchange club. The idea sounded interesting, so he signed up immediately. He knew that learning English would help him get ahead in life. Later that afternoon, Jake headed back home. On the bus, he sat next to a woman who was looking through a travel magazine. They struck up a conversation and quickly got along. She told him about her adventures abroad and advised him to branch out and experience different cultures. When Jake got home, he turned on his computer and looked up information about the language club. He also wrote down several goals in a notebook. He wanted to cut down on wasting time and focus more on personal growth. Before dinner, he cleaned up his room and threw away many things he no longer needed. That evening, Jake's sister stopped by unexpectedly. She brought up an idea about starting a small online business together. At first, Jake was unsure, but after thinking it over, he agreed to try. They spent hours working out a plan and figuring out how to set up their website. The following week, Jake received a phone call. He found out that he had gotten the job. He could hardly believe it. He thanked the manager and promised to carry out his duties with dedication. His confidence began to build up, and he felt ready for new challenges. As the weeks passed, Jake kept showing up at the language club. Whenever he did not understand something, he would look it up and ask questions. His classmates were friendly, and they often helped him out when he struggled. Little by little, his English started to improve. One day, the group organized a trip to another city. During the journey, their bus broke down on a remote road. Everyone had to get off and wait for assistance. Instead of complaining, Jake stepped up and helped organize the passengers. Eventually, another bus arrived, and they continued their trip. At the event, Jake was asked to speak in English. He was nervous at first, but he went ahead with his presentation. To his surprise, everything worked out perfectly. The audience listened carefully, and many people came up afterward to congratulate him. Months later, Jake looked back on everything that had happened. He had gotten over his fears, built new friendships, and taken advantage of opportunities he once would have ignored. He knew that success did not happen overnight. It came from showing up, carrying on, and never giving up. As he walked home that evening, he smiled and realized that his life had truly turned around.